Yun ang Double Island. 5 minuto lang yun, babangkain mo lang yan.
5 minuto pagbabangkain. Pero ito.
Ha? Mga ilang... Sa panindigan to, Double Island na isa. Yung katabing Double Island.
Paradise.
Paradise. Napakarami ng video ni Karen.
Maraming pwede doon mamaya.
May signal po doon.
New friend.
You're going to have an island hopping there, like this?
Yeah.
In El Nido? Okay.
Yeah, in Almeida, yeah.
Mega love shout out.
Shout out, shout out, shout out.
Alright! Yay! Oy, sama daw, sama. Join.
He's a brother. Bye!
Alright! This is Rhea. Rhea and Georgia.
Wow!
Hello.
They came from
Mega
India.
love shout out.
From America.
Welcome to the Philippines!
Alright. Tomorrow they will go to El Nido.
And we're going to also, yay!
This coming Friday.
Welcome to the Philippines! No, Thursday, Friday.
All of us are first time here in Palawan.
Alright. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Alright. One day only? Mukhang lumabas yung ano nyo, tinatago-tago yung English ah.
Ang English,
Ay, ito pa sila, oh. Hello, lady. Where are you come from?
Oh, from Italy? Yeah.
My classmate is from
Picture.
Italian. But you can speak English also. Yeah.
Espanyol.
Sia Angelica.
Angelica and
Sia Lucy.
Lucia.
from the movie Lucy, ha?
Oh, dali picture ulit sa
Oh, picture.
It's okay to have a picture with us.
Picture?
Alright. Yeah.
Picture.
Mga tao nga.
Mga tao. Parang mga damit.
Kala ko sinampay.
Mga tao, sila pa yung picture.
Ito, mga maliit ito, medyo mapapaw na sila.
May picture taking.
Mas maluwag ang space mo.
Akala ko mga kaway. Akala ko, kaya baka tayo kinakawayan yan, baka susunduin sila.
Hindi, wini-welcome nga tayo eh.
Meron silang drone.
Ayun, nandun no, nandun.
Ng tubig. Ay, ang linaw-linaw.
Dito tayo kakain.
Papapangat!
Ayan na, oh.
Ah, Instagram awal ah.
Masarap pa.